Today, we embark on a journey into the intriguing realm of hyperfocus, a cognitive state that holds both incredible benefits and potential pitfalls. Imagine a laser-like focus, an ability to immerse oneself fully in a task. As we delve into the positive aspects and the challenges associated with hyperfocus, we'll discover the nuanced nature of this mental phenomenon. Here are some positive benefits of hyperfocus. 1. Increased productivity. Hyperfocus is akin to unlocking a superpower for productivity. It allows us to channel our energy into tasks with unparalleled efficiency. What might have seemed daunting becomes a manageable challenge as hyperfocus propels us to complete tasks in record time. 2. Enhanced creativity. One of the remarkable gifts of hyperfocus is its ability to unlock creativity. When deeply engaged, our minds become fertile grounds for innovative thinking. Ideas flow seamlessly, and problem-solving becomes an exhilarating, almost effortless endeavor. 3. Deep learning. Think of hyperfocus as a key that opens the door to profound understanding. When immersed in this state, information is absorbed at a remarkable depth. Concepts become clearer, and the retention of knowledge is significantly enhanced. 4. Achievement of goals. Hyperfocus is a potent ally in goal achievement. It instills a sense of dedication and persistence, driving us toward our objectives. The focus becomes unwavering, and obstacles turn into stepping stones on the path to success. 5. Passion and enjoyment. Engaging in activities we are passionate about becomes a truly enriching experience with hyperfocus. The world around us fades away as we lose ourselves in the joy of the present moment, fully savoring the depth of our interests. Here are some negative aspects of hyperfocus. 1. Impaired time management. One of the challenges associated with hyperfocus is the distortion of time perception. While immersed in a task, minutes can feel like seconds, leading to potential difficulties in managing time effectively. Losing track of time may result in unintended consequences and missed deadlines. 2. Neglect of basic needs. The intense focus of hyperactivity sometimes comes at a cost, neglecting basic needs. In the pursuit of a singular goal, individuals may forget to prioritize essentials like sleep, nutrition, and self-care. Striking a balance between dedication to tasks and overall well-being is crucial. 3. Difficulty shifting focus. Hyperfocus, while beneficial, can create a challenge when it comes to shifting attention between tasks. Adapting to new priorities or unexpected changes may prove difficult as the mind resists diverting its intense focus from the current activity. 4. Social isolation. Another potential downside is the tendency towards social withdrawal. In the throes of hyperfocus, the external world may fade into the background, leading to isolation. Nurturing social connections is essential to maintaining a healthy and well-rounded lifestyle. 5. Inflexibility. Hyperfocus, if not managed, can result in inflexibility. The intense concentration may lead to resistance when faced with new information, ideas, or tasks. Cultivating adaptability is vital for navigating the dynamic nature of life successfully. In conclusion, hyperfocus is a powerful cognitive tool, a double-edged sword, if you will. Recognizing its strengths and challenges is key to harnessing its potential effectively. As we navigate this mental landscape, let us embrace the positives, utilizing hyperfocus to amplify our productivity, creativity, and goal achievement. Simultaneously, let us be mindful of the potential pitfalls, ensuring that hyperfocus doesn't compromise our well-being, relationships, or adaptability. Balancing the scales of hyperfocus involves self-awareness, intentional time management, and a commitment to holistic well-being, It's not about diminishing the positives, but rather finding harmony in its application. As you navigate your own experiences with hyperfocus, may you discover the sweet spot where focus and flexibility coexist. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and I wish you a thoughtful and balanced journey in the world of hyperfocus.